In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pre-order system on Shopify. Preparing your online store for pre-orders is an excellent way to generate buzz around a new product or ensure you don't miss out on sales, even if your inventory is temporarily out of stock. And the best part? It's simpler than you might think. First things first, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Products section. This is where you can see all the products available on your store. Identify the product you plan to make available for pre-order, and click on it to open its detailed view. Here, you'd be able to tweak the necessary details for this specific product. Now, let's adjust the inventory settings to accommodate pre-orders. Scroll down to the Inventory section. You'll see an option that says Continue selling when out of stock. Make sure this box is checked. By doing this, you're allowing customers to make purchases even if the item isn't currently available in inventory, effectively enabling pre-orders for your store. Next, it's time to inform your customers that this is indeed a pre-order by modifying the details of the product accordingly. Scroll up to the Product Description section. Here, you can write a clear note stating that this product is available for pre-order. It's important to include the expected shipping or availability date to manage customer expectations effectively. Also, consider highlighting any specific terms of your pre-order, like the payment process or any exclusive perks they might receive as a result of ordering in advance. A transparent product description can go a long way in building trust with your customers. Once you have your product set up, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all the changes you made are properly recorded on your store. Next, we'll add a visual cue so customers know this is a pre-order item right from the catalog. Go to the product images and consider adding a subtle badge or sticker that reads Pre-order to one of the images. If you're not handy with graphic design, there are free online tools that can help you overlay text over an image quickly and easily. After all, a picture can often communicate what words sometimes can't. Before wrapping up, it's wise to test your setup. View your online store as a customer would and try adding the pre-order product to your cart. This helps ensure everything is functioning just the way it should. After confirming all is well, promote your product. You can utilize social media, email newsletters, or any other marketing channels you prefer. Congratulations, your Shopify store is now ready to handle pre-orders. From setting expectations to enabling continued sales, you're equipped to turn potential stock hiccups into opportunities. Happy selling, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time.